Suppose you have several bolt fastening tasks in hand. Then you have to pick up a cordless ratchet wrench if you don't want to go the extra mile. However, the best cordless ratchets let you get rid of laborious tasks of fastening or unfastening bolts and nuts. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best cordless ratchets that eliminate corded issues and air hose noise. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Get the ultimate power and cordless convenience with the Aoben AB7331T, the most affordable cordless ratchet wrench set on our list that never compromises its quality while being low-priced. Equipped with a 12-volt air-cooled motor, this ratchet wrench delivers a superior fastening speed of up to 280 RPM, while the variable speed trigger allows you to control it on demand. This wrench comes with a set of 12-volt durable batteries, allowing you to complete a wide range of bolt installing or removing tasks with a maximum of 40 foot-pounds of torque. Plus, it has a slim head design that lets you efficiently operate in confined areas and provides a non-slip and comfortable grip to do jobs with absolute control and minimal fatigue. Featuring a paddle switch, battery level indicator, strong heat sinking capability, this wrench offers you the most stable and accurate performance the whole day long. Combining convenience, power, and budget simultaneously, this Aoben AB7331T electric ratchet wrench will be worth considering for your next project. Are you looking for maximum performance and productivity in a compact cordless ratchet tool? Then look no more, as we have the Makita XRW01SR1, the most speedy ratchet wrench that takes mere time to complete your installation tasks. Featuring a high-power Makita-built motor, it produces a maximum torque of 35 foot-pounds and delivers a variable speed of up to 800 RPM, letting you handle a wide range of fastening applications at your job site. Plus, it comes with interchangeable 3/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch anvils that assure you improved versatility, and features an electric brake to ensure added productivity. Weighing in at only 2.7 pounds, this ratchet wrench is engineered with a low-profile design to handle it perfectly in the most challenging areas, while the built-in LED illuminates the dark working spaces. With ultimate controlling facilities and the high-end fast speed, this Makita XRW01SR1 lets you tackle all the demanding bolt installation tasks quickly and makes itself a great buying option indeed. Powerful, lightweight, and compact, meet the PROSTORMER Ratchet Kit, a versatile yet reasonably priced ratcheting tool that is highly dependable for the professional, as it's built with quality materials. This ratchet tool equips a high-efficient 12-volt motor that produces a maximum torque of 30 foot-pounds and tackles various applications with a superior fastening speed of 230 RPM. Plus, it has a compact head design with a 3/8 inch driver to use in many challenging situations like auto mechanics, scaffolding installation, pipeline disassembly, and so many more. Weighing in at only 1.8 pounds, this tool features a soft rubber-coated grip that lets you operate without slipping issues and reduces hand fatigue for long-term use. You can easily change the operating direction, as it has a forward and reverse switch, while the effective heat dissipation always protects the battery from overheating. Simply put, this tool provides lightweight convenience with substantial fastening power and works great for what it's designed to do. Get rid of annoying cords and loud air hose noises with the KIMO electric ratchet wrench, the best value for money ratchet tool on our list that's especially suited for working in tight spaces with high efficiency. This cordless ratchet will perform just like all the other air ratchets, but with a maximum torque of 40 foot-pounds while delivering a variable speed of up to 400 RPMs. With an ultra-slim head design, it can be operated in any hard-to-reach spot, features a built-in LED that helps you to illuminate the low-light working area for ultimate convenience. Packed with two 12-volt, 2-amp-hour batteries, a BMC case, 7 sockets, and many more of the most demanded accessories, this KIMO cordless ratchet wrench lives up to all your satisfaction and is worth every penny. Milwaukee is one of the prominent brand names of heavy-duty power tools. Now say hello to its Milwaukee 245620, the perfect ratchet tool for repair and maintenance with industry-leading qualities. Utilizing a powerful 12-volt motor, this compact ratchet wrench produces up to 30 foot-pounds of torque and delivers a maximum 250 RPM of fastening speed, allowing you to get the power of a pneumatic ratchet without the air hose. It comes with a low-profile 3/4-inch head design that lets you reach the most confined areas and get fastening or rescrewing tasks done effortlessly. Plus, this tool features a recessed forward-reverse knob that helps you tackle various tasks and has a rugged steel reinforced housing that ensures high-end durability for years to come. Featuring a built-in LED and a battery fuel gauge, it offers you maximum convenience of ratcheting any bolt or nuts around your home improvement, car repairing, or electric maintenance project. So add this Milwaukee 245620 in your tool collection and get the most powerful ratcheting solution to keep every project ongoing perfectly. So that was a list of the 5 best cordless ratchets just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.